here's how you can add a new iPad to the Find My iPhone. So let me explain it all. If you're new here and first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, it depends on like who the iPad belongs to, because of course you can set up the family sharing, which you can find inside of the settings on both devices, and the organizer can invite a new iPad into the family sharing group where you'll be able to share like the locations and other stuff in here. So I would have the ability to open up this way, and I would have the ability, right, to just look up that particular iPad in here and enable the location sharing, right? So that is something which you can definitely do. But on the other hand, even if you are not part of the family sharing, you can set up the Find My location sharing. So on the iPad, which you want to add to the iPhone, you open up the Find My app, go to the People section, and tap on a plus to start sharing the location. And there are more ways how you can share it, but usually you have to do it over the iMessage. So it's going to be like between Apple devices, so you can look it up by that particular person, and the iPhone can like accept it and decide to reciprocate and share the location back, or leave it one-sided where the iPad shares location to the phone but not the other way around. And then we'll be able to see it on the iPhone where the iPad is physically located. So that's how it would work. I really hope that I can explain it. In case of any further questions, we can go deeper into like the topic in the future tutorials. Just let me know about that below in the comments. But for now, that's gonna be about it. I hope I can help you, and thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.